Hi, everybody. My name is David Porter, and I am here with what I feel to be an exceptionally creative field guide to type stashes. Someone at Tomfoolery saw what, in my mind, became the obvious best use for font brackets, and that is to show them as the type of mustaches that they would be. I wish I'd thought of it first. So that's the sort of thing that this is one thing that I find to be creative. I feel like I'm surrounded by creativity kind of all the time, from books to video games. We have the Super Mario video games. Talk about creative. Um, Creating something like completely new that everyone followed from then on, sort of thing. K-pop Demon Hunters. I love it, by the way. I could sing it. I'm not going to. So I do feel like I'm surrounded by creativity just kind of all the time. This, I feel like, is an excellent example because as soon as I saw it, I was like, that's so obvious. How could it not have been thought of before? And to me, that's kind of high praise for creativity. Something that, on the face of it, somebody was the first one to realize something that it just seems like jumps out at me um, after that. My automatic reaction to someone saying "be creative," I'm afraid, is not a positive reaction, to say the least. That illustrates my gift of understatement. Honestly, I'm not creative per se on demand. Yeah, sure. In the shower, I happen to think of like all these crazy, stupid, random, new, funny lyrics to existing songs, but actually, like sitting down and doing something creative, maybe in a collaborative process. But every time I've ever been in a group like that and I've watched a video or heard a recording of us later, it was always other people talking. So, just on demand creativity, not so much. And so when people say, be creative with this assignment, I'm like, man, my best creativity tends to be with word choice, um, which is saying something, I'm afraid. But so for me, a creative paper or something creatively written is probably the best that we're going to get. I did have a hard time choosing an object because, again, there are so many creative things all around me at all times, from crazy cool stuffed animals to uh, fun kids t-shirts, you name it. So um, does creativity always result in a product? Is an idea a noun? I think it is. Does that mean it's a product? I don't know. Um, Plenty of creative ideas get left in the brain. So are they still creative? I feel like yes, but does creativity always result in a product? I mean, kinda. I don't know. Jury's still out. Hopefully, I'll know more by the end of this class. Nice to talk with y'all. Hope everybody has a great session. Creativity. Thanks, y'all. David Porter out. Bye.